Hello everyone, this is my Profit Center's Howmet Aerospace presentation by Caleb Dole. The first thing I want to start out by talking about is the Howmet Aerospace segments. There's 4 segments. There's engine products, fastening systems, engineered structures, and forged wheels. First thing is the engine products. They utilize advanced design and techniques to support aircraft engines, gas turbines, and then includes airfolds and stainless rolled rings. Then the fastening systems just include latches, bearings, fluid fittings, and installation tools. The engineered structures produce titanium forgings. They go on to do airframe rings, aero engines, and landing gear components. And then the forged wheels, they go on trucks, buses, trailers, whatever you can think of. And then it's just 47% larger than steel wheels. And then here's a pie chart showing the differences between how big the engine products company, or how much they sell in engine products versus forged wheels or engineered structures. And we can see that engineered structures is the least. And then over here we got the commercial aerospace is the largest. That's how much they produce in that area. And then they go on to the commercial transportation, which is like semi trucks carrying equipment or anything like that. And then defense aerospace, and then industrial and others is the least. But defense aerospace is also right there with them. And then here we can see the differences in starting with the commercial defense transportation, what we just saw here, in relation to engine products and how much they're selling there. And then here we can see the geographic information of sales. This is just the top, I believe, top 10. And we can see that we do the most in the United States, and then we go on to Poland. But there's also more, but those are the top 10, and this is in millions. Here we see, okay, so this is the initial investment. I thought I just wanted to add this in here, showing just the differences between 2020 and 2017. And I was going to show that 2017 they put in 100 million in investments, and then that's the top one we see here. But then we go on to see the SP 500 index, and that is the top, I believe that's the top, I want to say it's the top 500 best companies in the stock market, and that's their ratio and how much they have went up starting at 100. And then industrial index, that's like people that are doing the same thing as Howmet and what their investments are doing combined, and like the average. And then aerospace and defense, this is the same thing, and it's only showing that they only went up 30 million in the last year per share. So I mean, if we look here, Howmet Aerospace is at the top, going from 100 million to 193 million. So they're doing pretty well. And then the biggest business activity that I saw was just that since Howmet is in a different countries, they got different they have just different obligation and laws in each area. So there's going to be different. You can't do, whenever you have something going on in United States, you can't do the same thing in China. So there's just going to be different procedures there that you're going to have to do differently, because you can't do the same thing in each country. And then this is just where their spendings are going. I see here that like operating leases, they could get rid of that by actually owning. But we see here that total, and then 2023 it's at 714 million, and it's gone up well, it's predicted to go up and then down, and they're just trying to eliminate all this stuff to just be on top of the game. And then here's my references. Thank you.